Hey everybody, welcome back. This is just a quick overview of what we do to an engine and let you hear the Truck Norris through a carburetor and headers. We snatched them dirty as hell from the yard. This particular one you can see was leaking from the cylinder head gasket. We thought it was a blown head gasket, but it ended up being a nuked cylinder head. It had ran hot for a long time. But either way, it was pretty dirty. We pulled it apart, gave it a quick hone, cleaned all the bearings, reused them. This one got a new timing chain, new cam bearings. Um, that's about it as far as it goes. Slab it back together, make sure everything is good, hang it on the engine stand, let it eat.